Namaskar friends. So today in this video we are going to discuss about the fourth verse of the first chapter of the Patanjaliyogasutras, that is Samadhi-pada. So if right now we have studied about in the previous verse that the third and fourth verse are basically the outcome of the second verse. If the second verse is true, then we'll reach to the third verse, that is tada drashtu sārūpyam. We have seen the explanation of this verse in the previous video. Now we'll talk about this. If this is not happening here, then what? So what it says, Vṛttisārūpyamitaratra. Vṛtti means modification or pattern of the mind. Modification or pattern. Sārūpya means identification. Itaratra means in other state. In other state. So what is other referring here? If this is true, if the second verse is true, then there is a state of Kaivalya. Tada drashtu sārūpyam. If it is false, if it is not happening, then what is happening? Then there is the identification of, then the self would identify himself in other state. And what is this other state? We'll understand it with an example. Suppose you are watching a movie in a theater. Okay? So you are a seer here. You are watching a movie. So whenever you are watching a movie, your emotions would vary as per the things are happening in the movie. Sometimes you feel fearful, you feel joyful, you feel good, you feel bad, you feel sad, because at that moment you are identifying yourself with the object of this movie. This movie. So this is what is exactly happening with everybody nowadays. And if we'll talk about everyone, if we'll talk about the 99% of the generation of the population is basically in this state. And what is this? This is the Avidya. Because we are identifying ourselves in other state. And what is it? I am this, I am king, I am that. So we are actually identifying ourselves with the pattern of the mind. So this is basically the Avidya state. That's why Patanjali is talking Vṛttisārūpyamitaratra. That means if you are not identifying your true self, that means you are in the state of the Avidya. You are basically identifying yourself in the other state. Hope you have understood these three verses. Thank you.